I'm Bhavya Dua and I'm a business and financial journalism student at Asian College of Journalism's ACJ Bloomberg program. As a student, the few things that I expect out of Union Budget 2022 are the ones that majorly revolve around education, skill development and employability. In the past 2 years, we have seen a lot of students withdraw from school because of the various reasons associated with the COVID-19 pandemic. Thus, a greater amount of boost is needed in this sector in terms of introducing stimulus packages in the union budget to have these children back in the education. Apart from this, we really need to focus on having our professional institutions like IITs, IIMs and various other universities stand at par with the foreign universities to lessen the brain drain from our country and provide the right amount of opportunities to the youth that they require within their own nation, thus requiring a lot of emphasis on skill development and vocational training. To have a good amount of focus on vocational training and skill development, a lot of emphasis and fund allocation needs to be required when it comes to innovation and research and development in our country. Thus, another major sector which requires the focus of the government at this point in time. Next, when we talk about the startup industry, this is one industry which has a lot of potential to grow and make the economy grow with it by creating more and more employment opportunities and bringing in the foreign institutional investors, VC funds, private equity funds and hedge funds into the economy, thus giving it a good amount of boost. And hence, understanding the startup industry, understanding the fintech industry and being open to accepting newer technologies is something the government really needs to focus at this point in time. Again, when we talk about infrastructural growth, that's also one industry which will focus on creating more and more employment opportunities for the youth, will bring in investment from abroad and thus lead to the better growth of the economy, which is a higher thing required at this point in time. Apart from this, especially after the COP26 summit, one major thing that the government needs to focus on is environment and sustainability growth, thus giving and putting in a lot of emphasis on EV industry and green energy in a way that doesn't give boost to capitalism but rather creates an equality of growth in terms of employment opportunities given to all. Another sector which we clearly saw lacks the right amount of resources it requires to cater to the entire population of the nation is healthcare. Thus, a good amount of fund allocation and special schemes need to be introduced when it comes to healthcare and pharma so that we don't see the same crisis happen again in the future. Because at the end, health is wealth.